Everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Woo, it's so great to be alive, guys. Hey, just want to say thanks to all of my subscribers and all the people who are, with me on this journey. And it's a great day to be alive. I just want to say, good morning to those of you in America. Good afternoon and good evening to those people in Asia and Europe. It's been a pretty solid Monday for most of us. We're winding down our day. I'm winding down my day. And I just want to give a special thanks and shout out to all of my latest and greatest and new subscribers. And you can see my new subscribers right here, guys. I'm so happy that, as a channel, we're constantly growing. And I just want to give a shout out to all of my new subscribers right here. Love you guys to death. Mohan, Sagardas, Official Manager, DP, Nakatek, and all of my beautiful subscribers out there. And these are all the subscribers that have subscribed today. So guys, big shout out to my new subscribers. I love you guys to death. Thank you for being part of this journey. And before we get started, just to one note of caution, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just me expressing my opinions, guys. So hopefully the wind behind me is not too noisy, not too disturbing. Hopefully you guys can still hear me pretty clear. I'll just get closer to the microphone in case you can't. So guys, remember, none of this is a financial advice. And remember, I will never ask you to contact me on WhatsApp. And watch out for the nasty scammers, because they're driving me crazy, guys. So, and one other thing, guys, become members, guys. Why don't you become a member, get badges, get perks, or get all that stuff? So it's really fantastic. Guys, let's jump into the charts right now. I'm so excited. As of time of recording this, right now, Doge is at 25.5, and we're up almost 6%, guys. So that's looking pretty good, So it looks like we're going to have a really good green day. And you can see here that we have a bullish buy signal here, and that was yesterday. But we're still continuing on that pattern. We haven't seen a red triangle. A red triangle indicates a downward a bear signal or a selling signal. So we haven't seen that. So it's pretty positive. Now right here you can see, hopefully you guys can see that. Let me just zoom that up for you. You can see that we have a dotted green line. This is a support line going all the way to around 24.4. So we can see that we keep above this support line. We're well above my 25-cent support line. So that's really massive, major. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And here we have my yellow descending triangle. Now we really need to break out of that. If we cannot break out of that by the 30th of June, then we could see ourselves actually going below my 25-cent support level. So, let's hopefully that we get some really fantastic, great news coming out from Elon Musk. Later, we're going to talk about some other amazing news that's happening in crypto space that you guys need to know about and you guys need to be aware of. Hey, I'm not wearing my glasses. I just thought I'd try a different look. Okay, guys. So this trend here, my yellow dotted line is really important that we need to break out above that if we're going to go to 25 cents, guys. So that's really important that we break above that 25, that 25. Sorry, my bad. My 28 cent support, currently resistant, but it's going to become support. So this descending trend line here, it's really important that Doge start to break out of it. So if we continue, if we definitely continue in this pattern here, we're going up and down. So we should see a breakout hopefully by the 30th, and then hopefully by the 1st or 2nd of July. I'm hoping that we can break past our 29 cent and hit 30 cents, guys. So I'm really bullish about that. I think we have not too long before we can break out to 30 cents. And once we hit 30 cents, guys, then my next resistance level is 30.5, and then my next level of resistance is at around 32, and then the next one is at 36. So once we continue on this trajectory, I think we'll just be fine. I think we're really going to break out. July is going to be the month for not only Doge but the whole crypto space. So I think that's really important that we keep in mind that July is going to be absolutely a fantastic a fantastic time for Doge, fantastic time for crypto. So, you know, you can see that over this weekend, even though the institutions were on holiday, you can see that retail investors were still back in the game. You can still see that there was a lot of positive. We had a green weekend, and those green weekends don't happen very often, guys. So it's really fantastic that we had a green weekend. So you guys should be stoked. Absolutely, the retail investors have started to ignore this FUD. They've forgotten about the whole China miner banning, China miners kick out and banning crypto. I think people, they realize that, you know, we're following this Wyckoff pattern, which is pure manipulation, 100% manipulation, guys, and we know that we're going to go to the upside. You know, and if you look here, you can see that generally July is pretty good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive years versus three bad or negative years. So, and you can see, you know, we've had 3 bad months, 3 good months, and definitely July is going to be a fantastic month, guys. July is absolutely going to explode. I believe it. You should believe it. And you know, I think that August we're also going to explode, and then definitely October, November. That's when we're going to start seeing, you know, 100, 150K Bitcoin. This is when we're going to start seeing, you know, $1 definitely coming in. That's for sure. That's 100% guaranteed, guys. That worst case scenario will be hitting $1 October, November, December. So guys, you know, if you bought at the top, if you bought at 60 cents, 72 cents, don't panic, don't have fear, don't be a wet Nancy and wet to bed. You know, buckle up, stay the course, don't panic. We're going to get to $1. It may even come earlier, maybe even in August, if we get some really positive news. We've got lots of positive catalysts. We've got the fee reduction, the speed increase. We got all these retailers accepting Doge. We got the, you know, South America blowing up and being the new crypto haven of the world. We've got Bitcoin becoming the national tender of El Salvador. We got you know, Mexican billionaires talking about Bitcoin, and we're going to jump into that in a second. We've got so many positive news that's absolutely going to be a catalyst. July, you're going to see Bitcoin absolutely hitting 50 or 60,000. We're going to be seeing, you know, Dogecoin definitely going back up, retesting all-time highs really soon, guys. So I think that's going to be happening. So all of you guys have been panicking and going crazy and you know, wetting the bed. The weak Nancy's going, ah, we're going to get there, guys. So don't worry, I'm excited. I mean, I've been in this business like 7 or 8 years, you know, even longer. You know, I've been mining for 6. I've been in this business 8, I think 10 years now, and I've seen these cycles, guys. And the data is showing us that July is going to explode. My gut's telling me, and if you look at the stablecoin inflow to exchanges, it's at a peak. It's at the same peak levels as the stablecoin inflow went into the crypto space just before Bitcoin hit 60,000. So the whales are definitely moving their stablecoins onto exchanges, ready to buy up and tear up the crypto market and buy in heavy and deep. So that's really bullish news, guys. So this is the greatest news ever. You know, you guys need to be pumped. You guys need to be stoked. So let's see. While you guys were sleeping in America, let's take a look and see what you guys missed. So what changed in crypto markets while you guys were sleeping today? So some of the interesting stuff that came out, there's one interesting article that came out, Bitcoin update. So right now, Bitcoin climbed back above 35,000 today, and you know, and making a double bottom at 31,000. Remember, June 25th, Bitcoin was at 31,500 on June 25th. But despite the increase, you know, Bitcoin is still down 44% down from its highest ever daily close of 63,689 on April 13th, guys. So that was our all-time high, April 13th. We've been coming steadily down since then, and you know, this is probably one of the worst quarters for Bitcoin since Q1 2018. But guys, this, in my opinion, we've been following the Wyckoff pattern. Is pure manipulation. Now we're in accumulation phase C of Wyckoff, and that only means one thing: absolute explosion is going to happen in July, and we could be retesting $63,000 by the end of July. I feel it in my bones, you know. So the other interesting thing, we had a total cryptocurrency market is now up 6.5% on the day, and we're around about 1.4 trillion since crashing from an all-time high of 2.0 trillion on May 12th. So remember, May 12th, we were up 2.3 trillion. So we're down, guys, almost 50% since the big crash on May 12th. So the market has been moving in a range between 1.75, because about 7 days ago at 1.75 and 1.3 trillion. So this is really correct. This is really correct. And right now, almost every top cryptocurrency is now in positive territory. So that's really good. So ICP is the biggest altcoin gainer of the day, up so far a massive 41%. Wow! If you guys had ICP, and you guys are making bank right now. So we've been really good. Apart from that, liquidity, USD, stablecoin, NEO, and Quant are the only cryptocurrencies in the top 100 that are seeing losses on the day. So QNT is down 1.2%, and but it has gained 13% in the last week. So a little bit of correction, people taking profits. All right, guys. So we've got some really kind of bad news, guys. So DeFi exploit streak hits Polygon. So SafeMoon crashed today. So sorry, not SafeMoon. Sorry, choose my words there. SafeMoon, not SafeMoon. Safe Dollar today was exploited. There was a hack, and Safe Dollar crashed down to zero, guys. So if you're holding or bought into Safe Dollar, that ain't safe, because it's now worth zero, guys. So basically another decentralized finance protocol on DeFi appears to have been exploited on Polygon, expanding the list of platforms losing funds. So we've had a couple of platforms lose funds recently. Remember, we had the Titan token, where Mark Cuban was invested, and that basically there was a run on that, and that went down to zero. And Mark Cuban was crying up a storm. Stop crying, Cuban. You stop crying. You're a big boy. Stop wetting the bed. So yeah, so that's pretty bad. That basically Safe Dollars had an exploit, and it's crashed down to zero, guys. So some other really interesting news that we'll talk about is, let me move my face down there so you can see the article. So we have one of the third richest guys in Mexico, and he's saying that he would hold only Bitcoin for the next 30 years, and he's saying that fiat currency is a joke, it's a scam, and I tend to agree with him. I tend to agree with what he's saying. Bitcoin is the one asset for the next 30 years. Remember, the supply of Bitcoin is limited. It's anti-inflation. It fights inflation, where fiat currency, the value is going down day by day by day. The Fed can just hit the print button and just, I mean, look at Zimbabwe. I mean, they have like 20,000% inflation. So, guys, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency is the place to be, guys. Absolutely. This is a revolution. You guys are into the ground floor. I'm excited. You should be excited. Let's jump into the markets right now. Let's see where everything's trading. Let's check out where my Doge is. So let's take a look at the overall market cap, guys. So right now, the overall market cap is up 5.79%. As of time of recording this, don't beat me up, guys, because by the time this comes out and gets to you, there's a little bit of a delay, okay, guys? So don't beat up the OG in the house. So right now, 1.39 trillion. It's fantastic. And the total volume, guys, it's up 7%, so that's pretty good. So I think, Monday, U.S. time, I really believe that the volumes are going to take off. We could see, 850 billion in terms of volume, and that's going to just pump the markets like crazy. We could see, Doge going to 28.30 cents today. This is the best news, great news ever, guys. So the volume is up 6.97%. Bitcoin dominance has come down, guys. This is fantastic. This is what we need to see. We definitely need to see Bitcoin dominance coming down. Now, if we look at gainers and losers, 94% of all crypto projects, cryptocurrencies are up. 6% are down. Let's take a look at some of the bigger gainers. We got LRC. We got Rune in the house. We got KSM. I love KSM. We got Celsius Network. Beautiful, beautiful play. We got Comp. We got SC. So these are some of the biggest gainers. I mean, if you're in LRC and you're up 31%, woo, you guys just make bank, guys. So let's take a look at the actual markets right now. So BTC is up at 34,465. It went as high as 35,000 today. You know, there seems to be some resistance at 35,000, so we really need Bitcoin to break above that, and then we're going to see the whole altcoins take off. Ethereum is up 11.63%. Thank God for that. Excuse me. Thank God for that. And we're over $2,042, up 11.5%, guys. That's fantastic. I think we're probably going to close at 13 to 15% increase. I think we'll probably close at 2,300 today. It's looking really positive. BNB is also up. It's up at $290, and that's pretty good considering that the UK regulators kicked Binance out of there. So I was expecting, as I said this morning in my video this morning, I was expecting BNB to be going down, but it's not. It's going up, so that's pretty good. It's pretty resilient. Then my ADA is at 133, and that's up almost 5.5%, guys. Now my Doge in the house, we're doing fantastic, guys. We have seen consistently that the Doge is in positive territory. It's been absolutely in positive territory for the past couple days now. And I'm just psyched. And you guys can see that, you know, we're still range bound here. We're still coiling up, building some pressure, and preparing for our next leg up, our next breakout. So I'm so excited. You know, what we need to do, as I said before, we need to break out past this yellow trend line. And if we can break past the yellow trend line, then we can see ourselves moving up to our next target of 29 cents, and that's some major resistance, but I think that we are definitely going to be doing that, definitely going to be seeing that, guys. I believe it, you believe it. I'm so excited, I'm so pumped. You should just you know, so I definitely see 30 cents coming in this week. And you know, Elon Musk, you know, there hasn't been much from Elon. He's probably still sleeping. He basically tweeted this, guys, you know, math no, finance yes. So he's saying that finance is more important than math, blah, blah, blah. So hopefully when he wakes up, we're going to get some great, fantastic news regarding Doge, regarding Tesla, that's going to move Doge to the next level, to the moon, guys. And one more thing, guys, please take the time. Please take the time to follow me on Twitter. That would be really appreciated. So let me just go home. And yeah, what's going on there? So yeah, follow me on Twitter, and that way if you miss any notifications, you can get notifications right there. And the Twitter handle is right there, Elgin Invest, MEN1. So guys, follow me on Twitter. Guys, if you love this content like I love you guys, please smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes right now. Subscribe below. Don't be afraid to subscribe. If you're watching this video and you have smashed the like, please subscribe. Guys, check out my links below. We've got merchandise, we've got t-shirts, hats, mugs. I'm going to be making a No Weak Nancy t-shirt, so you can check that out. Some people are asking for that in the live stream, so I'm going to make one of those. You're going to love it. Buy the coffee channel, support the kids here in Vietnam. Remember, all the proceeds from merchandise, all the proceeds from the super chats, all the proceeds from the coffee go to charity. And we're going to be making a big charity video coming soon once we hit our threshold. I think it should be around end of July-ish, based on how we're picking up, guys. So I want to once again thank each and every one of you, those that have been supporting the channel by buying merch, by buying the coffees, by, you know, giving us the super chats on our premieres and live stream. Thanks, guys. You know, some of my big supporters is Dustin, Edward Morgan out there, Ditkas Bear too. I know that you're not feeling so well, brother. Get well. Troy has been a big supporter. Troy, I know you've been quiet. Your wife's battling with cancer. God bless you, Troy. God bless your wife. Get better, guys. So, guys, once again, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. I try to be, you know, no nonsense, and I just want to say I love you guys so much. Hey, back there, this is not what you think it is. It's baby bamboo, guys. Because I had a live stream this morning, and people are going, hey, I want to smoke that stuff. I want to smoke. Guys, it's baby bamboo, okay? It's small bamboo leaves. It's not what you think it is, so stop it, okay? I don't want to get in trouble. All right, guys? So once again, this is not financial advice. I just want to say I love you guys. Peace out. Be well. And we'll have a quickie update at 9 o'clock tonight, Bangkok time. That's around about 9 p.m. New York time, 9 p.m. I don't know what time that is in California, but it's 9 p.m. in New York, so you guys can figure out your time zones. That's not my job. So guys, once again, be blessed. I love you guys to the moon. Dogecoin definitely the $1. Definitely $1, guys. July is going to be an exceptional crypto month. We're going to be exploding. Things are going to be popping. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Peace out. God bless you. Hug the wife, kiss the kids. Have a fantastic day. Have a safe day. Have a productive day. And guys, spread a little love. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. You know you want it. Okay? Smash the likes, guys. Don't forget.